Hello, 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 hello. Happy holidays from the Rhonda Said Show. I hope you're having a great day. Like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below, please. I would appreciate it very much. Today, I finally have my Boxycharm Luxe. I can't believe I finally have it. It seems like it's taking forever, but this time of year, everything takes forever to get. So let's see what I have in here. I've done my best not to peek at other people's stuff. There's a big old box. Hello, Charmer. And here's the card. And it is, oh, everything's super tiny. And this says Winter Luxe. Let's see if I can't make heads or tails out of what we've got in the box today. Let's start off with what's on top. And this is from, it's Vegan Beauty. Oh, it's from KVD. And this is the Edge of Reality Fully Recyclable Eyeshadow Palette. Let me get my calculator out. That is a $45 value. Let's take a look. It looks real pretty. Oh, I'm opening it the wrong way. And it is gorgeous. Look at that. That's very pretty and it's very shimmery. It looks like something I'd be happy to try one day soon. So that's great. If I can get this plastic back in the right spot, how about I just throw the plastic away? It's a tricky palette, but it's very beautiful. Lovely. Then from Ofra Cosmetics, On the Glow palette. And this is Glow Like You Mean It, the ultimate tool for creating a bronze glow. This stunning palette is suitable for all skin tones. Whether you're a makeup artist on the go or a beauty enthusiast who loves variety, this palette is all you need for a glam that shines. AM to PM, MSRP $149. So let's take a look. I had to fix the calculations. And I'm not taking the plastic off, but it's very beautiful and it's got lots of great highlighters and bronzers. And it's beautiful and I can't wait to play with it. So already I definitely have the value of my box here. A little bit of packaging. And this Luxe for sure, this December is always great. Next I have from Pure, it says Fully Charged, and this is the Fully Charged Mascara, and it is $22. And it says Opposites Attract with this age-defying vegan pure fully charged mascara, powered by a revolutionary magnetic polymer matrix that wraps a positive charge elastic veil around each lash to instantly lift, separate, and define. That sounds like a lot of work for this mascara. It's got a little seal on it, so I'm not going to take it out of the package because I have a lot of mascaras right now. So, I'll be getting back to that. Next up, from Kat Berkey, Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. And this is $116. This is amazing. And it says, the cult favorite Vitamin C Intensive Face Cream. Wow, this is a lot of packaging. Is developed to meet the needs of lackluster complexions. How did she know that I'm lackluster? I'm not putting that back in the box. And it's a beautiful frosted glass. And it's fortified with essential micronutrients. And the heart of the formula is super nutrient complex trademark comprised of 15% Stay C, a stable form of vitamin C blend with the anti-aging powerhouse Reishi to promote cell turnover and brighten skin. Fantastic. So we're really making the money on this box. Then next up, from Luxe, it's the Christine set. And this is it's a dual fiber cheek brush, small angle brush. It's a brush set pretty much. And it's a nice fancy container, but the brushes don't look that great. We'll see. How much is this? $50. I'm not thrilled with that. But I know somebody would love to have those brushes. I'm just a little bit of a snob when it comes to brushes. Then we have from Pharmacy, I'm very excited about this, the Honeymoon Glow Body. And this has 12% AHA, BHA resurfacing body serum, a body hydrating resurfacing serum that instantly softens rough skin and eliminates bumps, AHAs and BHAs, leaving skin remarkably smooth. With a lit from within glow, $40. So that's really awesome. And then we have from Persona, we have an eyeliner, and it's a 24-hour waterproof eyeliner. And I'm not going to open it up because I have so many eyeliners right now, but this intensifies your eyes with the 24-hour waterproof eyeliner that glides on for smooth all day, all night wear, featuring a blendable formula, and it is waterproof, and it is $14. And then from Aceology, a detoxifying treatment mask, which is exciting. The Aceology Defying Treatment Mask is a supercharged health retreat for congested skin, working to draw out blackheads and impurities and clear clogged pores. And this is $69. This is insane. The value of my box is $505. So for that, we get this mask, the body serum, the eyeliner, the brushes, the vitamin C formula, the Ofra palette, the KVD palette, and the mascara. This is fantastic for, I don't even know how much it is anymore. It's like 60 bucks. It's totally worth it this month. I'm super thrilled with it. I hope you have a great day and a happy holiday, and we'll see you real soon.